Nope. Nope, not what I wanted. Okay, barely touched it. This is a joke. Literally barely put my finger on it. That's cool. And we're still gonna do that. This is so much fun. No, maybe. And there's no timer for it. Cool. So we're just gonna do whatever it wants to do. Surprise cancel is working. And cool. This is so much fun. Wow. All right. So, I guess you could say just use your regular oven, because this is ridiculous. Cool. Can't adjust the temperature, can't do a timer. Okay, you get the point.
No display. When you close it.
Sometimes it does it twice, right?
Yeah, I can't get it in.
Oh.
Now there it goes. Cancel, please.